What would you do if you could give back to your parents in the most meaningful way possible? Jessica Alba just pulled off an emotional surprise that brought her father to tears, and it's touching hearts everywhere. In a heartfelt moment, the actress turned entrepreneur bought and renovated her father's childhood home. But this story is more than just a home renovation. It's about legacy, love, and honoring the past. Stay with us as we delve into this emotional journey that's captivating fans around the globe. Jessica Alba, the 43-year-old mogul known for her roles in Hollywood and her successful business ventures, recently shared a deeply personal moment on her YouTube channel. In the first episode of her web series Honest Renovations, Jessica takes on a project close to her heart, renovating her father's childhood home. The series, which she co-hosts with her best friend Lizzie Mathis, showcases not just the physical transformation of a house, but also the emotional impact of preserving family history. The episode reaches its peak when Jessica brings her father, Mark Alba, to the construction site. This isn't just any house, it's the home where he grew up, a place filled with memories and the spirit of her late grandfather. As Mark realizes what his daughter has done, the emotions hit hard. He breaks down in tears, overwhelmed by the gift Jessica has given him. "Now the house that you grew up in, Dad, is yours," Jessica tells him, making the moment even more poignant. Mark, still emotional, reflects on how proud Jessica's grandfather would be. This house, now being renovated with love and care, stands as a symbol of her grandfather's legacy, a place that represents the sacrifices he made to give his family a better life. Jessica explains that after her grandfather's passing, her grandmother's medical bills nearly forced the family to sell the home. But Jessica saw an opportunity not only to keep the house in the family but to transform it into a lasting tribute to her grandfather. As they walk through the house, Mark shares memories of growing up there, some of which Jessica finds a bit too candid. But these moments add to the authenticity and depth of the story. Jessica and Lizzie even get hands-on with the demolition, wielding sledgehammers to start the renovation process. It's a mix of hard work, nostalgia, and deep emotion, making the series a must-watch for anyone interested in home renovations with heart. Jessica, who recently stepped down from her role as Chief Creative Officer of the Honest Company, has been open about this new chapter in her life. Although she's moving on from her leadership role, she continues to provide strategic advice as a board member. This transition, as she described on the Today Show, is a rebirth into a new phase of her life, which includes producing films and continuing her work in the entertainment industry. Her production company's first film, Trigger Warning, debuted at #1 on Netflix in several countries, a testament to her ongoing success. And now, with Honest Renovation Season 2 streaming for free on Roku, Jessica is showing that her passion for storytelling and family goes beyond the screen and into real life. And that's the story behind Jessica Alba's heartfelt gift to her father, a story of love, legacy, and family. What would you do to honor your loved ones? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to Celeb Explore Hub for more touching stories and celebrity news.